Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be second class of our Hindi language, and today we are going to learn swar. Okay, in English we can say like vowels. Okay, so first one is just like I told you in our last class, 11 swar in Hindi. So this is how we write Hindi. I'm so sorry, my writing is not. So there is a different way of write Hindi. So we write Hindi like this. So anyways, let's jump into the video. So first one is a. A. The sound is a. A. Just slightly open your mouth and your sound should come from your throat like uh uh okay. So next one is, this is how we write ah ah ah, just like double a. Ah, your mouth should open wide and sound should come from your throat. Ah. So next one is e. Normal, just e. 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 We like normally write it's like I. E. E. Just observe how I am pronouncing it, because there is a certain same kind of like letters word you will like get confused. So it is E. 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 Next one is, his brother is like E. 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 This one is E. 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 Your mouth like close to each other and the sound is coming like your teeth are together like. And this one is E. E. This one is E. E. This one is E. E. I hope you are getting my point.